lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of April's Boxycharm Premium box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got this time around, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I did go ahead and try some of these products off camera. They're on my face right now. And so as I pull them out, I will tell you guys my first impressions of them. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first up is the card, and the theme is Boxy Spring Reveal. There's the card. Alright, so I'm going to start out with my choice items, because for premium, you get to customize 2 of the products. So the first one I chose is a skincare, and I only choose skincare when that's the only option. I prefer makeup over skincare, but I believe the choice was skincare, so I chose one. So this one is from New Rad, and this is the Skin Smoothing Polish Exfoliant. And this retails for $39. I've tried several products from New Rad from my Boxycharm boxes, and I do like the brand. It seems decent. I don't think I've tried this exact product before, but, you know, they're a decent skincare brand. So yeah, so I will get to this whenever I get to it. I have a ton of skincare because I don't go through skincare very fast. I'm only one face, so yeah. So I will get to this eventually, but $39 for that. And then up next is something from Iconic London. This is my second choice item. This is the Brow Silk Kit. I guess you could consider this makeup. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Would you guys consider this a makeup item? Anyways, so it comes with the brow, kind of like, they call it brow silk. It's that shiny, shiny packaging that gets really smudged fast. Anyway, so I think it's kind of like, it's like a brow gel, kind of. Brow wax, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, here's that. So it came with that, and then it also came with the brush, which is a really big size brush. This is almost like a toothbrush. Like, the size is huge, especially because this is supposed to be for your brows. So I did try this out today, and I will say that I wish the brush was a lot smaller. It's kind of awkward putting it on. But for the actual product, let me show you what it looks like. It just looks like a cleared, looks kind of like this yellowish kind of wax stuff, but it doesn't feel bad. It just kind of, it's just product in there. But anyways, I used it. I don't really know how to use these products. I've never used one before, but I would assume it's kind of like one of those things where you just kind of put it on your brows to get them to stay down, or if you like the whole little feathered look, you would use this product for that. I used it, but I will say I don't know how much use I will actually get out of this because I have kind of thin brows, so I have to go in with product, like brow product to fill my brows in. So I wouldn't just be able to just use this to make my brows look really natural, just to flick them up, because I'm assuming this would work really well for that. But I go in with product, so I guess I would use this on maybe if I had a crazy eyebrow day and I just needed them to lay down flat or something, then I could use this. But yeah, the main issue I have is the brush. It's just way too big, but I don't know. I will continue to use it, but I don't know. I don't really know how I feel about it. It's really cool to be able to try this product out, but I just don't know how much this is going to work for me. But anyway, so did I say how much this is? This retails for $25. Alright, and then next up is something from Michelle and Peach, and it is the English Growers. It's the English Leaf Body Oil is what this is called. So it comes in this nice little packaging, and then this actual body oil is in this nice, glass bottle. So it feels pretty nice considering it's in a nice glass bottle. I haven't used this yet. I don't typically use the skincare or body products off camera. I will eventually probably use this. Yeah, it definitely has a leafy kind of smell to it. It doesn't smell bad. I'm curious about this. I don't usually get very many body oils, so I've gotten hair oil several times, but never body oil. So I'm excited to use this, especially if it's going to be good for moisturizing and stuff. So this bad boy retails for $68. I would never pay that much for body oil, but I will say it does feel, with the glass bottle and everything, it feels nice and luxurious. Sometimes with these skincare products, whenever they're high price like that, and then they're in plastic tubing or something, or something very cheaply feeling, it makes me wonder why they're so expensive. Anyways, then moving on, we have something in here from My Beauty brand, and this is a new brand to Boxycharm, and it is liquid eyeliner. And it's just in the shade black, so here's the packaging. Pretty plain black and white packaging. And then here's the actual eyeliner. So I did use this today, and it worked pretty well. I'll just do a little swatch. There's a little swatch of it. And this is what I used to do my wing today, and it worked pretty well. I will say the actual pin part is kind of more of those stiffer pins. You know, like some of them are kind of like flexible, and this one's more like the stiff, kind of like foamy feeling tips, but it worked pretty well. Like sometimes I like the stiffer ones to make the point, but I will say the stiffer ones when you're trying to like do the little curve of your eye, it can make your line a bit thicker because it's kind of like not bending and stuff. But I thought it worked pretty well. This retails for $20. Alright, 2 more products and then I'm done. So next up is something from Nabula, which I was really excited to get. It doesn't say a new brand to Boxycharm, so I'm assuming Nabula has been in Boxycharm before. I don't think I've ever received anything from Nabula. Anyways, this is the Shine Theory Lip Gloss. And this retails for $15. It's in the shade Renaissance. And I will say this is a very nice like lip gloss, like feel-wise. I don't think this is glass, but it's like a very thick plastic. It's like got a little bit of weight to it. And it's just really pretty gloss. I will say the cap is really, really pretty. It's got like little sparkles in there. It's really pretty. And then here's the actual gloss, kind of like a gold sparkling gloss. It has a nice doe foot. I don't even know if I'd call that a doe foot. It's just a flat applicator. I will do a little swatch of it. So it's got a nice little shine to it, not too sparkly. I do have it over the top of my liquid lipstick today. It applied really easily. Yeah, I just gave it a nice little gloss, very comfortable to wear. Yeah, not sticky, which is very important. It wasn't sticky at all. Yeah, I could see myself getting a lot of use out of that gloss, especially with summer coming up. It was nice. I feel like I've gotten a lot of glosses recently, but I feel like all the glosses I've gotten recently from Boxycharm have been plumping glosses, and I'm not a huge fan of the whole plumping thing. I just don't like it. So it was nice to finally get a gloss that I will probably get some good use out of. Alright, and then last but not least is something from Natasha Denona. I'm really loving the fact that we've been getting a lot of Natasha Denona in our boxes recently. Well, not like super a lot, but you know, it's becoming more of a common brand to see in Boxycharm. Anyways, this is the Cupid Cheek Duo, and I believe, yeah, this is the Boxycharm exclusive, so I don't mind that, especially because it's brands that I like, that they're kind of collaborating with Boxycharm, or however they do that and coming up with exclusive items. But anyways, this is the Cupid Cheek Duo, and this retails for $42, and what it is a cream blush and a powder highlighter. Now, for me personally, I'm not a huge fan of cream products. I mean, I don't know. I've never taken a liking to them. Yeah, I'm not sure why they did a powder and a cream. I wish they had just done them both powder. But having said that, I did go ahead and try them both out today. And I used the blush, and actually it's really not that bad. I was hesitant because, you know, like I said, I don't really care for cream products. But I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and try it out today. And I went ahead and set my face and put my bronzer on like normal, and then I popped this on top, and it didn't seem to do anything. Like, I think it went over the powder really, really well. I mean, I didn't set my face like a lot. I just did like a light brush of setting powder, and then I went in with my bronzer, which was a powder bronzer, and yeah, like I said, it still went on pretty well. I will say I kind of had to build it up. I just used my brush. I tried my brush first, and I noticed it wasn't really picking up much, and I tried my fingertip, and that was kind of going on a little odd. So then I went back in with my brush, and I guess I just had to get that first layer off, because even swatching it at first and stuff, like it really wasn't picking it up much, but now it seems to be showing some pigment. So there it is, swatch. So yeah, I just had to get past that first barrier. And I think the blush actually looks really nice. It is kind of like glowy a little bit. And then I used the highlighter as well. That's what's on my face. I would say the highlighter is pretty nice. I wish it was a little more glowy because this is like 2, brushes on. Like I applied it twice. And I feel like it's just not building up a whole lot. So it's like a very kind of mild highlighter, I would say. Although the swatch seems pretty blinding. I don't know. Maybe I needed to go in more heavy-handed with my brush. Or maybe it has like a first layer on it as well. I don't know. I'll continue to play with it. It's not bad. I mean, I don't have to have a blinding highlighter every time. I can see that I have highlighter on, but you know me. I like that beam. Anyways, so far I'm actually really enjoying this, which I was surprised because I'm not really much of a cream blush person, but so far I am liking this, and I like that I could go over this with the powder and that it didn't seem to do anything, like to my foundation wise, or it didn't seem to budge anything. So I'll continue to play with it. Maybe it was the powder that I used this time. I'll try it with other powders just to make sure, but yeah. So far, I'm liking it. Alright, so that's everything in my box. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price to let you guys know the overall value. And then after that, I will do a final run through of everything and let you guys know my final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value for my box was $209, which is not too bad considering I think I only paid $40 for this box. Alright, so final run through. Let me run through everything and I'll let you know what I thought at the end. So for balance of the box, I feel like it was pretty well balanced between skincare and makeup. I think it was kind of more heavier on the makeup side this month, which I'm pretty happy with. But for the skincare things, the skincare products, I'm not too mad about. I do like getting exfoliators, and I don't mind getting body oils every now and then. Like I said, I think this is the first time I've gotten a body oil. So this is nice. I prefer body oils over hair oils. I don't know. My hair gets greasy really fast, so I'm always really scared about putting oil on my hair because I'm like, is that just going to make me look super greasy? So I'm more hesitant about using them, but I definitely will use a body oil. So I'm pretty happy with the skincare that we got this month. And then for the makeup products, I would say this one's the only one I'm maybe not super thrilled about. And it's nothing really personally against the product. It's just I don't think this is something that I'll really get a whole lot of use out of. I may end up passing this on to someone else. I have a couple of friends that are into makeup, and they may have better brows than me, so maybe this is something that they would use every day. It's just this one would seem like something I might use occasionally, like I said, because I have to go ahead and fill my brows in because mine are pretty thin. So yeah, I may just end up passing this on, which is fine. But it was interesting to try out. And then the other 3 products, I don't mind getting eyeliner every now and then, and I actually prefer to get liquid over like a pencil. I don't mind cream eyeliners, but pencils I don't really care to use, so I'm glad it was a liquid liner and one that I will definitely use. The gloss was definitely nice to get. Like I said, I don't think I've gotten anything from Nabila and Boxycharm before, and I have been wanting to try out the brand, so it was nice to try out their gloss, and so far I like their gloss. And then I would definitely say that probably the best product in the box is definitely the Natasha Denona item. Definitely going to be getting some use out of this, and I was happily surprised that I liked the cream blush. So yeah, so I would definitely say I think this month's box is definitely worth it. It was much better than last month's box in my opinion. So yeah, so I'm pretty pleased with everything. But there you go, guys. That is my unboxing for April's premium box. Yeah, very satisfied this month. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up because that really does help out my channel. And also, there's a plane going over. It's a really loud plane going by right now. So I'm going to wait a second. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. What did you guys think of it? And if you got a premium box, what did you think of your box? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!